Most people think greatness begins with a big opportunity. It doesn't. It begins with a small decision. The decision to get out of bed when comfort tells you to stay. Every champion has this moment. Most people never take it. Success loves preparation. Every weight is waiting. Every repetition is waiting. The gym doesn't care how you feel today. It only responds to the work you put in. Warm-ups don't just prepare the body, they prepare the mind. Every movement wakes up another part of your potential. Real progress happens after the excitement disappears. When your muscles burn, your mind begins negotiating. Champions never negotiate with excuses. Strength isn't measured by the weight you lift. It's measured by the discipline you build every time you refuse to quit. Rest is not weakness. Recovery allows tomorrow's performance to be even stronger. The right equipment doesn't replace hard work. It removes unnecessary obstacles, allowing you to focus on becoming your strongest self. Every workout ends the same way, with a choice. You can celebrate today's effort or begin preparing for tomorrow's challenge, because the strongest version of yourself is still waiting.